This is the new GMC Sierra 1500 configuration screen. This is a base configuration screen. There will be far more to come. Let's start out with the Pro. The Pro is a really nice model. Definitely a work truck. If we take a look, there's no bed liner, no sliding rear window. I do like the grille there. Exterior, we've got this Mesa red and the Cardinal red, which is really kind of cool. And this dark ridge metallic. For a work truck, I kind of like that dark ridge metallic. The interior, very basic. Looks like we got 6 passenger seating. A really nice front display here. No sliding rear window on this. And then you've got the choice of either the cloth interior or the vinyl. Now, as a work truck, I would think that the vinyl would be more popular as a work truck. The wheels we got on this thing are a painted silver wheels, 17-inch. Definitely a work truck. Let's go up to the elevation. That's the next step up. Again, no bed liner. I do like that grille. It's got the front tow hooks, which is really kind of nice. It does have that sliding rear window. And then when we look at the colors, we've still got the red, we've got the silver and the black. That tan looks really nice. When we look at the interior, we've only got the after dark interior, standard console. Nice big screen again. We do have some rear storage here in the center area with that sliding window behind it. I think that would be great for like if you're making runs to get like 2x4s and stuff like that, run them through that side window or that back window rather. And then of course for the wheels, we got a 20-inch aluminum with dark Android accents. That's kind of a nice looking wheel. I think the elevation is going to be real popular this year. Then we go up to the AT4. The AT4 has a bed liner in it. Has the red tow hooks in the front. It's really kind of cool. And that real impressive grille. When we look at the exterior, now we gain a couple of different colors. I like that sterling metallic. That seems like a nice color for that vehicle. It's got a really nice look about it. Let's check out the interior. The interior, Forest Storm with Alpine Lake accents. This is a really nice unit. We're starting to get into the nitty and the gritty here. It's got a really nice front look, that nice console. that we've been hearing about. Rear storage, the sliding rear window. I do like the overall look of this. The wheels on this are an 18-inch aluminum with dark Android accents. Again, a very nice looking wheel. Let's go to the AT4X. The AT4X definitely gives this thing a lift. No doubt about it. We have the sunroof up top. We've got the rear window. We've got the bed liner. We got that really impressive grille. When we look at the colors, yeah, we've got all kinds of different colors here. Here's the black. I do like that rigid metallic though. I think that's really cool. The interior on this, the big thing is we get this huge sunroof. That's absolutely impressive. We get a little bit more of the dash accents on this. Really nice wheel. We get the speakers inside the headrests. That's really kind of cool. We also get the passenger. Looks like there's a passenger display there. Again, the rear window and the storage in the back. A real impressive look. They call this Timber Mahogany. Definitely stepping up in the world with this. The wheels are 18-inch gloss black. It's got a really good look to it. Now we get up to the Denali. That's when we start to get into the real high-end stuff here. First thing I notice is side steps. It's got that nice impressive grille. And these appear to be white tow hooks in the front. Very impressive bed liner in the back. And it looks like we got a drop-down tailgate as well, with that big step on the back of the tailgate. Exterior colors. The big one is we get this blue. That's really nice, impressive blue. Looks like no reds available on this, but I think that blue color is going to be quite the seller. The interior, we get 3 different interiors on this. This is the white. Black with white accents. This is the Terrace Summit. I do like that look. And then we get the Twilight Harbor. It's more of a blue color, but very well done. The wheels are the 20-inch Pearl. Now the top of the line, the Denali Ultimate. Have the side steps again, the bed liner, that two-stage rear tailgate, that massive front end, and black tow hooks. Exterior colors are very much similar to the Denali. The interior, we have the stealth black interior. Speakers in the headrests. Those nice rear seats. Center console. That big display off to the side there for the passenger. Very impressive look. You know you've arrived when you get to this thing. And the wheels here are a 22-inch diamond cut aluminum with dark Android accents. You're definitely going to need side steps for this, no doubt about it. And that is the entire trim level for the GMC Sierra 1500 as it sits right now. The website for this will be in the description below. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.